Today I'm going to teach you how to play Beethoven's Ode to Joy from his Ninth Symphony. Let's go to the piano. Let's begin by learning the first two measures of the melody. You'll play E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D with right hand fingers 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. It sounds like this. Try it, saying the note names as you play. Great! For the bass clef part, you'll play C for 4 beats with left hand finger 5, and G for 4 beats with finger 1. Hold that whole note, hold that whole note. Try it, saying hold that whole note, hold that whole note as you play. Saying this 4-syllable phrase will help you to play each whole note for 4 beats. Awesome! With both hands together, the first two measures sound like this. Give it a try. Way to go! Let's try measures 3 and 4, beginning with the melody. You'll play C, C, D, E, E, D, D with right hand fingers 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Try it. Great! Most music students find the dotted quarter note eighth note rhythm challenging. So before we move on to the next part, I want to teach you how to play this rhythm perfectly every time. The dotted quarter note is 1.5 beats long. It gets all of the first beat and the first half of the second beat. The eighth note is 1/2 beat long and is played on the second half of the second beat. To play this rhythm correctly, you'll count 1 when you start the dotted quarter note and 2 when you tap your foot for the second beat. The eighth note is played right after you count 2. I'll show you what to do and then you can try it. 1, 2, D half note. Try it, making sure you don't play the D until after you say 2. Way to go! For the bass clef part, you'll play E for 4 beats with left hand finger 3 and G for 4 beats with finger 1. Hold that whole note, hold that whole note. You try it, saying hold that whole note, hold that whole note as you play. Awesome! With hands together, measures 3 and 4 sound like this. C, C, D, E, 1, 2, D half note. You try it. Way to go! The next two measures are the same as the first two measures. I'll play them again to remind you what the previous measures sound like, and then you can try it. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D. It's your turn. Awesome! Measures 7 and 8 are similar to measures 3 and 4. The only difference is in measure 8. This phrase ends with D, C, C rather than E, D, D. you'll play C, C, D, E, D, C, C with right hand fingers 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. It sounds like this. C, C, D, E, 1, 2, C half note. You try it. Great! For the bass clef part, you'll play E for 4 beats in measure 7 with left hand finger 3. In measure 8, you'll play F and G for 2 beats with 2 and 1, and E and G for 2 beats with 3 and 1. Hold that whole note, half note, half note. Try it. Awesome. With both hands together, it sounds like this. C, C, D, E, 1, 2, C half note. Try it, counting like I did. Way to go! We've been practicing the A section. The B section is next. It lasts for 4 measures. Beginning with the melody in measures 9 and 10, you'll play D, D, E, C, D, E, F, E, C, with right hand fingers 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1. Try it. Awesome! For the bass clef part, you'll play 2 whole note Gs with left hand finger 1. Hold that whole note, hold that whole note. Give it a try. Great! With both hands together, it sounds like this. D, D, E, C, D, E, F, E, C. You try it. Terrific! The second half of the B section is challenging for most students and will require a little extra practice to make it perfect. Starting with the melody, you'll play D, E, F, E, D, C, D, G, beginning with right hand fingers 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then left hand finger 1. It sounds like this. D, E, F, E, D, C, D, half note. Try it, saying everything I said. Terrific! For the bass clef part, you'll play G, G sharp, A, G, with left hand fingers 1, cross over 3, 2, 1. Half note, half note, half note, half note. If you keep your thumb in the same place the whole time, playing this part will be easy. Try it. Great! Let's try it with both hands. Half note. It's your turn. Pause the lesson and practice these 2 measures very slowly. Start the lesson again after you've played this phrase perfectly 5 times. The last 4 measures of this arrangement are exactly the same as measures 5 through 8. I'll play all 4 measures to remind you what the previous phrase sounded like, and then you can give it a try. E F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E. 1, 2, C half note. Try it. Great! Here's what Beethoven's Ode to Joy sounds like all the way through.